To speed up your workflow in any application, it is a good idea to go ahead and utilize the shortcut keys. So in Thunderbird as well, let's say for example, if I were to go around onto new message right here, I can go ahead and press Ctrl B and it immediately bolts out the font. That is because the shortcut key to bold out is Ctrl B, which is a universal shortcut as well. But there are Thunderbird specific shortcut keys as well. For example, for link, it's Ctrl K, as you can see right here. So Ctrl K, then it turns it into a link property right here. So you can simply go ahead and type in, let's say for example, www.google.com, and then you got the link right here, just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see, and so for other options as well. So for many options, you can see that you have the shortcut keys right here. You also have the keyboard shortcut option right here, which actually goes around and opens up a page right here. So let's just go around over here onto tools, onto help right here, keyboard shortcut, and then it opens up this particular page right here with the keyboard shortcut, where you can find out about different keyboard shortcuts that you can use right here. And that is how you can utilize and access keyboard shortcuts in Microsoft in Thunderbird as you're working along. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.